Good morning and welcome to Going to Work with Gena, which is an infomercial for STEM students. I am Dr. Gena Henderson. STEM students, this morning I want to focus on two interdisciplinary aspects of STEM, which is meteorology and environmental science. And the reason I want to talk about these two particular disciplines is because we need a lot more diversity in meteorology and environmental science. And I know we all keep thinking about the catastrophic storm and how it devastated, demolished, broke up all kind of ecosystems when it comes to Bahamas and our coastal inhabitants. But what I want us to focus on is the fact that we need meteorologists and environmental scientists to come together because climate change is real. We are feeling the effects of climate change in a very phenomenal way. And so, with these two particular disciplines coming together, understanding our ecosystem as far as our communities are concerned, as well as our terrestrial impacts that the storm has, how it changes our landscape, how it changes the animals, the vegetation. All of these things actually occur when we have a hurricane. So, for the last few days, we've been hearing a lot about the barometric pressure and those changes in air and wind. And but we really need to understand the aftermath of everything too, as far as how it affects the ecosystem. Okay, so I want to focus more on these two aspects as far as motivating more students to enter into meteorology and the environmental sciences. And parents, if you don't know where to get your kids started, there is a book out here called Dr. Fred's Weather Watch. And it teaches your student, it's by Dr. Bortz and Dr. Shepard. And it teaches your student about weather and weather patterns and what different things mean, hurricanes, bombs, all kind of things like that. And then I want to make sure that I can also reach an environmental scientist and bring them, him or her on so that they could actually talk to about why we should be concerned with climate change and not just from a water aspect, but also when it comes to affecting the animals and the plant vegetation and what that gives us when it comes to us having a future when it comes to vegetation and living off of the land. Okay, so I want to thank you for going to work with Gena this morning. If there's any infomercials that you missed, please don't hesitate to go to YouTube and view those other tapes. But what I want to say is make sure, parents, that you pick up this book. You wouldn't want to miss out on this book right here. It's a great read. Thank you.